how to test distress button test in GRC model NTF318. So first, please press Alt G. Alt G. And after that one, go to diagnostic. Then go to distress button test. So if you can see now, distress buttons are under test now. So just press distress button for 3 to 5 seconds. Then release after it succeed. So now if you see in the distress button now, it's testing. So if you can see now, it's successful. Distress button test succeed. So that's how to test distress button or in this model, this JRC model NTF318 in MARSA.